Welcome. This is part 2 of 3 of the series where I describe data types, but I use a whiteboard. Having another series where I use data types, but this time I'll use code. So today we'll be going over strings and dictionaries. Strings are surrounded by either a single or double quotations. So you can have anything inside those quotations. And as long as they're inside of them, you're fine. Now, strings can be anything. They can be a sentence, like Kevin. They can also be a number, like 11. Now, the reason why strings are used is usually to print out something. So I can say print Kevin, I'm printing a string. The official definition of a string is a sequence of characters enclosed by quotation marks. So it can be anything. It's just stuff, basically. Stuff. As long as it's in two quotation marks, you're fine. Now, there are a few limitations. For example, if you have a number like 1 plus 1, you can add them. Strings, on the other hand, you can't do anything about it. Can't add. No. This could be changed using casting, but we'll be over casting in the next video. There's also dictionaries. D-I-C-T for short. Dic for short. Dictionaries are very, very cool, as in using curly bracket. So like that. And there's another pair of curly brackets like that. Dictionaries are commonly used to store pairs of data. So, for example, it would be something like two dots here, dot, dot, and then on the outside you have something here and something here. Here's an example. Let's say I have Kevin, it's a string, and then I use two dots, and then I put in my age, 15. Let's say I use Ethan, it's a brand name, and then I put in 16. And then I end off with another curly bracket. As you can see, I am storing more than one value in this dictionary. Now, dictionaries can be changed, and they can also have more than one value. You can have a very long dictionary, you can have a very short dictionary. All you gotta know is that dictionaries are used to store pairs, like a dictionary. So let's say you have a book, very cool book. This book also happens to be a dictionary. And let's say you go to page 58 of this dictionary, and you search out the word coffee. And coffee would be paired up with a definition. So let's say the definition of coffee is very awesome drink. Exactly like that. Coffee is paired up with a definition. My name Kevin is paired up with my age. A number is paired up, or something is paired up with something else. This is dictionaries and strings. Thank you.